Customs cleared your container. The paperwork looked right. Your agent said everything was fine. The goods were set on their way to the warehouse. And then NAFDAC showed up. They seized the entire shipment, every unit, every box, gone. Not because your product was dangerous, not because it was fake, simply because it was not registered. I have watched such situations happen more times than I can count. And every single time, the importer says the same thing, but I didn't know. That is the most expensive sentence in the Nigerian food import business. As a director at NAFDAC, the very agency that seized those goods, I see the frustrations. I have spent over 30 years inside this system, and today I am going to make sure that sentence never comes out of your mouth. Welcome to the second post nation of the Food Importers Blueprint Nigeria Hub. In the last video, we opened with a reality check. Today we go deeper into what NAFDAC is and why it operates this way. The importers who succeed are not the ones with the most money. They are the ones who understand NAFDAC. Let us start with the facts. NAFDAC was established in 1993. Its legal mandate is to regulate and control manufacture and importation. Read that mandate again slowly. Manufacture, importation, exportation, distribution, advertisement, sale, and use. That mandate touches your product at every single stage of its life in Nigeria, from the factory to the consumer shelf. NAFDAC has inspection officers stationed at every port of entry in Nigeria. Lagos, Apapa, One. They are there. They have the full legal authority to examine, test, and seize any product that does not meet requirements. No negotiations. In the 1980s, this country was overwhelmed with fake drugs and contaminated food that were killing people. NAFDAC was created as the answer to that crisis. This is not bureaucracy for its own sake. This is a nation protecting its people. Here is a trap. Clearing customs and complying with NAFDAC are two completely separate processes. Many assume if duties are paid, they are done. They are not. Nigeria Customs will not release a product without proof of NAFDAC registration. I personally oversaw a destruction exercise in 2025 where over 10 billion naira worth of products were destroyed, gone. The costs are real: seizure, blacklisting, and even criminal prosecution. You damage your business and your partners. Stop seeing NAFDAC as an obstacle. Start seeing that green registration number as a trust signal and a quality certification. Once you stop fighting the system and start working with it, everything falls into place. Move from fear to informed respect. I have created a NAFDAC mandate one-pager for you. Download it for free via the link in the description below. Tomorrow, we will discuss the real NAFDAC registration timeline. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I am Nantim. Check out the NAFDAC NAPAM's PDF guide in the chat box below. I'll see you again. Bye.